This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Now we'll directly shift to now your role as a president, because you have been in the SIRC, the Bangalore chapter, and now Central Council member, vice president, and now the president of the ICSI. One common question as a student or young members is that really do we have so much scope for CS course is a general question, and they feel that they don't have that much scope. So as a president, with your entire experience, what is your message to them?
I think it is a very the notion or the thinking that CS whether options are there or whether future is there, I think that is a myth. In Marathi there is a saying that हात माथा घडवतो, माथा हात नव्हे. This is a proverb. What does this mean? हात माथा घडवतो, which means the hand will make your future. Hand means your hard work. Matha हाथ नव्हे. Matha means your nasib or your I mean to say whatever is written in your fate. So fate is not going to. So don't wait for the fate. It is your hard work. So what is the hard work? Hard work is when you are a student, you should study whatever the subjects, whatever the issues are there, problems are there, and you should not just, like for example, when I was in Mumbai, I still remember when I was doing law, and a few of my friends jokingly used to say, even my professors used to say that don't read 3TP. So I used to say, what is this 3TP? 3TP means 3 times question paper. So in other words, there was an old saying in Mumbai that you read 3 test question paper, you will automatically pass. But my dear friends, students, it is not like that. You have joined a professional course. In a professional course, the expectation of the corporates, the expectations of the regulatory authorities are high. In that context, you will find that you have to undergo your training. You should know under whom what you are undergoing training, what the companies you are doing, in what way, even if certain companies your bosses are not doing. So having a good network with your friends to ensure that you also learn. For example, you would have joined a particular company secretary, he may not be doing any listed companies. So don't get dejected. Have a good network of 10 friends, 15 friends, 20 friends. Discuss amongst themselves whether they have done anything on listing, whether they have done anything on IPOs, whether they have done on filing under NEEPs. So discuss amongst your friend, take the knowledge from your friends, and then I am sure that you will hone your skills. Yes, opportunities are plenty. Why opportunities are plenty? Because when you are studying your CS curriculum, you are exposed to so many laws, so many regulations, so many principles, whether it is on human resource, whether it is on management, whether it is on GST, whether it is on, nowadays I am talking about GST, whether it is on various acts. So in other words, you have to seize that opportunity, that after reading so many laws, if how best you can practice in terms of your company secretary in practice. You have so many recognitions, you have so many areas of practice you can. For example, need not necessarily be under company secretary. You need not necessarily only on company law. You can do on SEBI, advice guidance, SEBI filing, SEBI listings. You can do on labor laws, because if you study in your first year, entire labor law issues are there, right from Factories Act to Industrial Dispute Act to Bonus Act, all those rules and regulations. So in fact, I would like to say that compared to a legal fraternity, where the study or course curriculum, if you say, CS course has got variety of law in addition to that of the legal fraternity. So in other words, what I am trying to say is that you can practice as whatever, whether in a company secretary in practice, assuming if you have not done company secretary, you have just done your advocate, say for example, the level of knowledge in advocates compared to that of company secretary, you will find the study material of CS is much more exhaustive than an advocate. But still a particular person as an advocate may be successful. Why? Because of his individual character, because of his persuasion, because of his skill. Similarly, company secretary also, with all this knowledge, exhaustive knowledge in addition to what can be learned by any other professional, if you put it in a right perspective. We normally say a proverb, right time at right place. So similarly, I feel that our professionals or our young company secretaries, our students, if they think in that way, our curriculum provides much more opportunity than any other opportunities which are provided by the other professionals.
Yes.
And today you will find that whether it is Ministry of Corporate Affairs or whether it is Securities Exchange Board of India, or in that sense any other regulatory authority, more thrust is being placed on governance. So when governance is the thrust, you will always find governance professional will have a role to play. So who is the governance professional? It is the company secretary. So therefore, there are enough adequate, and as I already told, demand for company secretary are huge and supply of company secretary are very less. And in fact, I would like to say, you will find in today's WhatsApp, if our members or students can just check a couple of days WhatsApp, there was a notice which was issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs asking for 50 company secretaries for their office in CRC.
Exactly. Yes.
So in other words, why Ministry of Corporate Affairs want our professional? Why? Because of the value what our members, what our student who are going to become the company secretary are creating. So such a wide opportunities are there, not necessarily in company law. They can practice in trademark, they can practice. Today you will find with the National Company Law Tribunal coming in, a new area of practice which is there for our members. So students who becomes member, they can also practice in company law, in NCLT, or they can appear like an insolvency professional.
Yes.
They can act as a registered valuer. So enough opportunities are there, or I may say plenty of opportunity is there. It is only that we have to seize that opportunity,
Exactly.
grab that opportunity with folded hands.
Yes.